Come test drive the 2020 Chevrolet Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, Bose sound system, power passenger seat, heated seats, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, remote vehicle start, alloy wheels, floor mats, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, compass, trip computer, rear window defroster, security system, CD player. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.